As an industry leader, Walker Products has evolved into a premier supplier of fuel delivery components, emission control products, engine sensors, ignition wire sets, ignition coils, and coil-on-plug boots. All of our products live up to OE specifications and your demanding standards. Restore accurate airflow measurement for your engine's air intake system with the carefully crafted and tested design of Walker Products OE replacement mass airflow sensors. Using a hot film or a hot wire anemometer, they measure the amount of air by weight that's entering the engine and relay the information through changing voltages or frequencies to your vehicle's onboard computer. With this and other data input, the amount of fuel delivered to the engine is optimized for best performance. When an airflow sensor fails, you're likely to experience one or more of several symptoms. Starting may become more difficult and even impossible. There can be surging or stalling, and your check engine light will come on. The mass airflow sensor cannot be repaired. When it stops working, it must be replaced. Walker Products mass airflow sensors are designed and manufactured as 100% new, never remanufactured, to meet and exceed all OEM specifications and test requirements. You'll get improved engine response and performance, lower emissions, better fuel economy, and longer sensor life. Being in the forefront of new technologies, state-of-the-art engineering, automated manufacturing processes, along with great customer service has made Walker Products your first choice in quality products. We're proud of our history and commitment to the automotive aftermarket.